Hello, fellow rosarians. I get a lot of questions, and two of the big questions that I get are, what roses should I put in my garden? And I'm going to answer that in the next video. But also, I've got a rose that is laying on the ground that I'd like to figure out how to support. This one I actually had in a support for the past day, and I realized that it would really be a good idea to do a video to share with all of my new rose geeks that might not know what to do. And so I'm going to go ahead and put a picture of what the rose looked like just yesterday. All of these branches, this is William Morris, all of the branches were laying on the ground, and he's new, so he's still trying to, oh, here's a little bee to say hello, how fun. So William Morris is still trying to figure out how to strengthen his canes, and that's going to happen during the winter when we prune this back and then just use the strongest canes. But in the meantime, how we start supporting a rose is what I want to share with you now. And it's a good idea to have in your supplies at your house, readily available at any time, supports. And this is one that I've had for a decade. I'm not sure if I see that out on Amazon right now, but what you can get at your local garden center for like $2 a piece are any variations of the support. Do you see that this is a one-sided support? It's kind of hard to see here. This is a single flower support. And so this is like a peony ring where you're going to have, you know, the rounded portion, and then these legs will fold down straight. So this will hold up a small rose also. You can certainly buy bamboo, but the big thing that you need to have are these clips here. Let me get them closer to show you. I'm going to link this down below. And these clips are great for clematis or anything that you want to clip up. And let me bring the supports forward a second. So you see that this is a half support. This is a half moon. See that? And the branches would just rest up on this real nice. And then this is the single supports. And then finally, this is the support that I was telling you about. So it's got the ring, and then these arms will fold down for you. So use any support that you can find that's available to you. And it only has to be a short-term solution. You're going to use it for a couple of months, and then next season, he'll be standing up on his own like the rest of the roses in the garden. So let me show you real quick. Super easy. Gloves, make sure you don't hurt yourself. And so then just take your support and put it as close as possible to the base. And then we're going to stake up the largest canes. And it'll be easy for you to see. You don't have to support up all of them, but just the ones that will support the rose the most. Let's see. I've clipped up everything to the obelisk that I can, and so now I'm going to use some single supports just to get the remaining canes up that are blooming right now, because these blooms are kind of heavy, and new roses sometimes have a hard time supporting those beautiful blooms. So there you go, easy. I hope this video was helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.